today our vlog will be about Filipino snack. But before we begin, we would like to thank you all
for who is supporting us.
Yeah. Now let us get started.
So right here we have fish crackers,
Which is also called chicharon.
and here chippy, and this one is boy, and we have Jack and Jill chocolate mint.
So here we have cheese it, which is actually a chips, but which is cheese, and graham, where we can use it for like mango flute, and we have a ding dong, pulburon, which is obi, and
this is sampalo,
some palok.
and
Spicy one, we choose the spicy one, guys, and we have mini stick on.
Yes.
So now let us start first.
Yes. So guys, it's been a long time we did not try this one.
All of this, like after we came back from Philippines, so right now let us get started. Oh, first we will try the chippy. So guys, after eating them, we will rate like how many between 1 to 10.
So I will choose for this 5.
I'm gonna go for 7. Actually, it's so good.
Okay. So we will start with this one first.
It's choco mint. We're gonna try this one. This is how it looks like.
Yes.
From outside it will taste mint, guys, but
Inside there's choco mint.
yeah, so I'm trying to break it, which will take so much time for it.
So for this we will rate it 8.
My one does not even broke yet, so I will not rate it right now before. But first let it broke because I want to taste the inside part, which is said choco mint. Okay.
Rate.
My mom. Actually, guys, I will give it 6 because I could not taste the chocolate from inside. So now let us go with 6.
Okay.
So let us go with graham, guys, which is this one.
Yeah, and inside it there is cream cheese. Cream cheese.
Yeah, cream cheese and with flavored fillings, which we will be tasting it
For the first time.
Actually, we like the grahams, which is plain, but this one is actually with the cream.
So guys, right now we're gonna open the graham.
And we're gonna taste it. How it goes with fillings. So I'm gonna take mine. I think there's 2 pieces inside. Oh.
So this is how it looks like. Yeah. With cream filled.
Yeah, like this, guys, and this is from inside, as you can see. Now let us taste it. It's really so good, guys. So
I'm gonna rate it for 7.
I'm gonna rate this like 9 because it really tastes like cheesy. So yes. Now let us go with the
Fish crackers. Fish crackers with vinegar mostly, but right now we're gonna try it alone.
yeah. So guys, we need scissors to open this because it cannot be opened. We can keep this inside. This actually finished the first.
It's not open.
Oh yes, finally we got it, guys. So I think we are gonna open.
It's possible to open this one.
Yeah, so guys, it's actually the spicy one what we chose because we love spicy. Yes. So I think we don't need vinegar for today, guys, because we're gonna eat the original taste. I know I'm gonna love it. I'm gonna eat it all. Mmm. Mmm.
So for this, I'm going to rate it 10 out of 10.
Mmm. I'm gonna rate it as well 10, guys.
So
So
now,
I rate it 10 because it's really spicy and it has a good taste. So guys, try it someday if you have not tried it.
fish cracker with spicy flavor.
Yeah. So now we're gonna eat
Cheese it.
cheese it, which
I'm so obsessed with it because there is so much cheese inside it.
yeah,
because I
but
love cheese.
after I
so
think
much.
like after we have tried it like so many long days ago, like I mean maybe years ago, but maybe 5 or 4 years like this, but we have not like tried next day like
Other than that,
yeah. I'm getting confused, guys. So this is how it looked like, guys.
yeah,
This-
it's filled with so many cheese. Which
Yeah.
I love it so much. So of course, I'm gonna rate this one for 10 out of 10. Okay?
Guys, I'm gonna rate this one 9.5. I love it, guys, but for me, I'm not too much like I love cheese, but I'm gonna take it 9.5 because I love the fish cracker more than the cheeses. So.
Yes. So right now we're gonna take this, which is sampalo. Yeah, this one.
Which is this one, and we chose the spicy. It's sweet, guys, but it also has the taste as spiciness.
Sweet and spicy.
So we have opened it, guys. Wait.
And we're gonna.
And I think there's 5 pieces inside, which we are gonna open one, I guess, because
yeah, we need to open only one because there's 5 pieces.
yeah. So now let us get. I don't think I'll be fan of this, guys, because I have tried it before, but
We never tried which is spicy.
yeah,
But
but
I
I
want the sweet one.
yeah I tried the sweet one like 1 year ago, I guess. So
It's
not,
been a long time we did not eat any Filipino food.
I'm not big fan of this, but I'm gonna rate it after tasting this. This is how it looks like, guys. It's like with sugary out from outside, and it looks like sugary.
So guys, for this I'm going to rate it 7 out of 10. It tastes good. Yeah.
So guys, actually I was not expecting this. Before my mind was like on 4. So
So
guys,
guys-
my mind was like at from 4.5, but when I tasted it, it really tastes good. So I'm gonna go for 6.5. But I'm not that much fan of it, guys. Like if I have food to eat something spicy. So right now, what we're gonna try, the boy
Yeah.
bawang. Boy bawang.
Yeah, the boy which is flavored.
And
It's
it's
garlic.
garlic flavor, and I love this, guys, actually, because I miss this so much.
Yeah,
So-
we miss this all so much because it's been a long time we have not eaten.
but I love this a lot, guys. So I'm gonna take it one. It's still so small, guys, but it tastes really good because bawang, which stands for garlic.
It's been a long time we have not eaten. So I will rate it for 10 out of 10.
I'm gonna go, guys, for 15. I will cross the line. It will taste so good, guys, so I'll be going on 10, which I'm gonna put more 5, 10.5. It's really so good, guys. Please try someday if you did not. So right now we're gonna try the dip.
No, first the what?
Pulburon.
Pulburon, which is
Obi.
ubi flavor.
Yeah.
So
So let us get started, guys. Ah. So I'm gonna open from back. I don't know actually how to open this thing.
I will open.
I'm gonna give her one. Oh.
And
guys.
we would like to shout out to
To
Mommy
Mommy.
Simply, Phil Cantugis,
Yeah, and Kuya Albert Moises. Thank you a lot, guys.
and,
To all of you.
and we mentioned their name in the subtitle.
Yeah.
So
Bye-bye.
please
Take
go
care.
check them out.